Hey, good morning, everybody. It's Bill with Supreme Pressure Washing. We are at another seal job here this morning. Let me walk around and show you what we got. Not a big project, but we have dual driveways here. We got a 2-car here, and then the ramp up coming in across the sidewalk, and then a walkway that joins the smaller one, and the walkway going up here to the front door. And we have this area through here, down along this way, and then the small golf cart lawnmower driveway, and then down to here. These were sealed at one point, but the sealer's just worn off now. Sand is out of the joints. Okay, so that's our project here this morning, so let's get moving. Okay, so we got everything cleaned off here, and we noticed another issue, which is the old sealer is starting to fail. So we're going to strip everything, and then we'll do our cleaning, sanding, and sealing. But the old stripper, or the old sealer, needs to come off first. I'll show you what we noticed here. So I don't know if this shows up on the camera or not, but in the sunlight you can see where the old stripper is just starting to peel off. And down here you kind of see the same thing again. And if you get close, you will see where the old sealer is and where it's not. Alright, so we're going to go pick up some Trident gel stripper and come back, and we'll show you guys the strip job. Alright, so I thought I'd just take a minute here and show you the stripping process that we go through. Today we're using the tidal wave gel from Trident. So you just pull and you roll down, you let it sit, and then turbo nozzle it off. But the process is pretty easy. You just you roll it down with the 9-inch roller. You let it sit for about 20 minutes, and then you turbo nozzle it all off. You could let it sit for 30, 45 minutes. All depends on how bad the previous sealer was. This here, we've already laid the stripper down. It's working, doing its thing. John's over there turbo nozzling it off. And you can see the big difference of the matrix. This has already been all cleaned off already. So, anyway, I just thought I'd take a minute and show you that process. Hey, good morning, everybody. Bill with Supreme Pressure Washing. We are back this morning at our Paver sealing job. So we got back here this morning, and we weren't quite happy with the stripping job yesterday. There were still a couple little areas. So we laid more stripper down this morning, and that'll take care of it, I'm sure. So we laid another coat of stripper down this morning, and we're getting ready to clean that back off, and then we're ready for our cleaning process. All right, it's gonna be another real hot one today, so let's get moving. Hey, good morning, everybody. It's Bill with Supreme Pressure Washing. Saturday morning we got delayed by one day on this because we had to ended up having to strip this driveway. So we're ready to sand this today and then lay the sealer. I'll walk you around and show you everything's prepped up, just really nice. The driveway, it's all stripped, cleaned, prepped, ready to go. The walkways, it's going to really enhance beautifully. And down along the side. Okay, so we're supposed to get some rain this afternoon, so we're going to get moving here and get the sanding. That's why we're starting so early. So all right, let's get busy. Okay, so we're all wrapped up here. It looks like we just beaten the rain here today. So 2 coats of Cat 5 fieldstone sand. Show you the results. Yeah. That color enhancement, just absolutely beautiful. Yep. And the walkway going up, front door, sidewalk over. Yeah, just absolutely beautiful. It's results like this why we always pick the Trident products. The 3-step cleaning process sets the stage for beautiful results, and then 2 coats of category 5 can't be beat. Customers love it. It's just absolutely phenomenal product. All right, so that wraps us up here. This is Bill with Spring Pressure Washing. Give us a call if you're looking for results like this on your pavers.